Hi everybody, Lisa here from Happy Zazzling. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a tote bag really quickly here. It's one of the easiest things you can make and I sell a lot of them. And then I'll show you some of the tote bags I've made just to give you guys ideas of the different like themes you can make with tote bags. So anyway, I'm going to go here to the search page and I'm going to make this one today. I'm going to go to customize this design and then under search media I'm going to look for a rainbow. I'm just looking at all the different rainbows I have, and I think I'll put this on there. Shrink it down a little. I'm going to crop it real quick here to make sure I center it properly. Okay, then I'm just going to put a name under it. Go up here to different text. Make sure it's centered. And then I'm going to go down here, click on the text, and then make this a template object. So now somebody can change this out. They can add their own name. I'm debating on leaving the text black or not, but it kind of matches the strap, so it's kind of cute. And then I'm going to right click, select all, copy. Then I'm going to go to the back and do the same thing. And now you got a personalized tote bag. And then just hit sell it. And it will take you here where you put in the title, describing your product. And you don't have to put tote bag. Zazzle will automatically put that. And I do put personalized here. They say not to put in your tags, but you can put it in your description and your title. And here you can write more details, use some, some keywords like rainbow, that people would search for. You could write in some uses for the tote bag there. I'm not going to put a recipient or event, but I'll put it in the category. Put it in fairies and unicorns. Then add tags. Then rated G. I have the right to publish and post it. So once you get your product made, now your customers can click on this, and then they can go here to personalize, and they can change the name if they want. Only hopefully they'll spell it right. See how cute that is? So now, once you have a product made, make sure you go up here and click the share button, and then share it on your Pinterest and Twitter and Facebook and all the places. If you have a blog, put it on your blog. That way you get it out there. So that's just a quick, easy way to make a tote bag. And I sell a lot of these. And now we're going to make this a couple different colors, and so that Zazzle will group them together and the customer will have a choice of colors. So how we're going to do that is we're going to go to Edit. And we're just going to pick different backgrounds. First we'll pick black, and we're going to change this to white. Don't move anything around at all, just change the colors. Click Done, and then click Sell It. Leave all the information exactly the same. And go down here and click Post It. Then click Go There Now and do the same thing. Go into Edit Design. And click Colors. And then you can do this as many times as you want with all the different colors. And then just do that as many times as you want, with as many different colors as you want. And then as long as you don't change any of the text, Zazzle will group those together automatically. So that's how you make tote bags, and that's how you group together different colored tote bags with the same design. I hope that helped you guys. Here's a bunch of pictures of tote bags I've made with like different themes and purposes. So go ahead and take a look, and I just hope it helps give you guys ideas of different tote bags to make. So you guys all have a great day. Hope your shops are doing well. Happy Zazzling to you. Bye-bye.